Hello, my preschool friends. I have some weather books for you guys today. The first one we are going to read is What Are Blizzards? Do you guys know what a blizzard is? If you look at this picture, what do you think blizzards are? Gives you a really good hint. Yeah, it's a lot of snow. It's when it snows a lot. All right, so remember this part of the book is called the cover. This part is called the back, and this part is called the spine. All right, ready? What Are Blizzards by Mari Schuh. Right there, Schuh. I don't know how else you would pronounce that. Okay. What is a blizzard? Lots of snow falls and a strong wind blows. A bad winter storm is here. It's a blizzard. Oh no. Luckily, we live in a place that does not have blizzards. Blizzards can happen where warm air rises over cold air, and then snow forms. So what happens is when air is warm, it tends to rise, it goes higher, and when air is cold, it sinks. So what happens is that the warm air goes way up high into the atmosphere, and the cold air, it sneaks in under the warm air, and that's what creates snow. Hopefully you guys have seen snow. It snowed here before a couple times. More and more snow falls. It has lasted for 3 hours or more. Some blizzards can last for days. That wouldn't be good if we had some that lasted for days, right? We wouldn't be able to go outside, wouldn't be able to go see our friends. Kind of like now, huh? And then whoosh, the wind blows the snow. It is so hard to see. Look at the picture. Do you think they can see very well in that picture? Definitely, definitely not. There's so much snow. Look, the snow piles up. The wind makes big drifts. They are called snow drifts. Do you guys see a snow drift? Do you know what that is? This is a snow drift right here, this big giant pile of snow. That's called a snowdrift. And they are very hard to walk through, drive through, anything. It's a lot of packed snow. So one way to stay safe is by staying inside. It says, brr. It is very cold, and it is best to stay outside. You can always look at the snow from the window because snow is very pretty, I think. But I don't want to be in it. Temperatures can be below 0, and people can get frostbite. Do you know what frostbite is? Have you heard somebody say that before? Frostbite is what happens. It usually happens to your fingers and toes. That's what happens when they get too cold. They get too cold and they turn pink and then red. And what happens is the blood that's inside your body, it can't get to your fingers and your toes. So when you get frostbite, it can happen so bad that your fingers and your toes fall off. It's very painful. So I hear. So that's why we have to wear gloves and shoes. Do you see the icy roads? Cars slide on the ice. They can crash, and people should not travel in blizzards. It is not safe, right? And that's always what we need to do more than anything else. We need to be safe. Phew! The blizzard is over. The wind and snow have stopped. It's so bad that people have to dig out their cars. Look at her with a shovel digging that snow out from her car. I never, ever want to shovel snow. I hear it's hard work and not fun. All right, so that's what a blizzard is. I want to ask you some questions, okay? Why are blizzards dangerous? Why do you think they're dangerous? Because there's lots of snow, yeah. And where there's snow, there's ice. And what happens on ice? Like if you're driving a car, what happens? You can slide and get into an accident, and that's not safe, right? Okay. Another question. Name one way people can stay safe during a blizzard. The book named one way. Let's see. Name one way people can stay safe during a blizzard. How about staying inside? Definitely staying inside is a safe place to be during a blizzard. And the third question, why do you think it's so hard to see during a blizzard? Remember, we showed you that one picture. I'll see if I can find it. When the people walking in the snow, they couldn't see. Why do you think they can't see? Here's the picture right here. Why do you think they can't see? Because the wind blows the snow so hard, turns everything white, and then they can't see, right? So, yeah, do we have blizzards here? Not typically. There was a blizzard here a long, long time ago, but it wasn't even in my lifetime. So we definitely, at least, I don't like blizzards. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed reading about blizzards. I have a couple more books I'm going to put videos up for you too. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.